It took hours actually. So the very first day I spent all 8 hours trying to make a drawing for one harness to get the hang of AutoCAD. People laughed, right? The VP of engineering was like, all right, did we get the right guy? Like, he's kind of taking so long, right? But the senior engineer believed in my ability. He's like, no, let's give Kane a fair shot. He's still new to the company. He's never used AutoCAD before, and he's actually produced a drawing. It might have taken longer than we thought, but he didn't come up empty-handed, right? So we kept going. So after we kept going, I finished the AutoCAD drawings. So I take what I made on the paper, and I have an AutoCAD version, company template of that validated circuit that I've done on paper, now in an AutoCAD drawing. So the next step was to go validate it. He's like, okay, now you have to make that circuit board, but before you do that, how do we know your circuit works? I'm like, good question. How do I know the circuit works? It works on paper. And he's like, okay, a lot of things work on paper, but sometimes you have to go and build it to see if what you designed is actually feasible in real life. So I did that. I started taking parts. So this company had all the parts in-house. They had wires, they had different gauges of wires, they had 18 gauge, 20 gauge, which is wire like almost as thin as a hair. 18 gauge is the standard wire. I'd be working more alongside, I was trying to build a circuit board. So I took some 20 gauge wires. I think single pole, double throw. So I learned relay logic, like what activates the coil, what kind of voltage activates the coil, am I supposed to hear a click when things go, like how things work.